Are you ready to talk, guys? Yes, sir. You know what? This is kind of individual interaction. Whenever I make somebody sit down and discuss, you are able to talk. But when we sit down in a group and debate, some people just wait for, Kaju Katri. Some people miss, their bhabhi. Some people miss their mausa mausi. That is why it is just, I'm gonna have kind of audition. Each and everyone is gonna come here. I will be asking questions related to the topic as well, but some random questions will be also asked so that I can see how is your English actually, right? Because your journey does not stop only in Well Talk. Your journey continues, I don't know, till where, right? Your journey will continue and continue. So this is your examination. This is your rehearsal kind of, right? So let us have kind of buddy talks, and do not consider me as a teacher. I'm just like your family member, guys, right? Feel comfortable, feel confident, right? So are you ready, my dear brothers and sisters? Yes. All right. So I would like to welcome the first personality of the day who wants to come first. Let's welcome to Miss Aditi, please. Please sit down here. Hi Aditi, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
First of all, tell me something about yourself.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Aditi Modanwal and I am from Shahganj. I completed my graduation from Purvanchal University, Jaunpur, and my hobbies is dancing and I want to become an cabin crew.
You want to become an cabin crew or a cabin?
I want to become an air hostess, sir.
Oh my goodness, that's good. So your name is Aditi.
Yes.
What is Mundwal? What is the meaning of that? You mentioned title.
Modanwal.
Oh, I'm sorry, Modanwal. What is the meaning of Modanwal?
Sir, meaning of Modanwal is halwai.
Oh, so you're Halwai?
Yes, sir.
That's why your language is so sweet. Exactly. So can you make barfi kind of?
No, sir.
So why are you Halwai actually? You are so-called Modanwal.
Sir, my father doing business.
Is
My
doing
father is a businessman and a labor and
Okay, so,
type of people working in my factory, small factory.
oh, okay, that's fine. So you're from Sagas, right? Today's argument is all about job, business, self-employment. So today you are sitting in the favor of business.
Yes.
Tell me one point.
So during COVID-19, those people who are doing a job, they are
Who
unemployed.
are doing or who were doing?
Who were doing job?
Mr. Obad, get ready to open the door as well because they have to go outside. They are speaking quite incorrect English. You are in Well Talk. Do not speak incorrect English.
Fear of a camera.
Excuse me. Use double camera, please. She's saying I have fear of camera. Yes. So people who were doing job during COVID. So what happened? What was the problem?
They are unemployed.
They
They were unemployed.
They were unemployed. So what is wrong with this?
Sir, but those people who were a businessman or they are.
Excuse me, open the door, please.
No, sir.
So what do you mean? Just say hurry up. Take a short time.
They sell their product sitting on their home.
During COVID?
Yes, sir.
Or because of business?
Yes, sir.
Or did you understand, everybody? Dear job holders, you have to remember this point. She is saying that during COVID-19, businessmen, they used to sell their products by sitting at home. Yes. But dear job holders, they could not sell. Please sit down back. Good. She is passed. Let's welcome to the next one here, Mr. Hassan. Please come and sit down with me. Hurry up. Let us take very short time, guys. Hi, sir.
Hello, sir.
How are you doing?
I am doing great.
Leave my hand. I'm not a girl. Exactly. Excuse me. Just kidding.
Yes, sir.
So, Mr. Hassan.
Yes, sir.
Are you happy all the times?
Yes, sir. I am happy all the time.
Really?
Yes, sir.
But because of this debate today, you're sad, I think.
No, sir. I am so excited.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Can you show your excitement?
I will show my excitement during debate, sir.
Oh my goodness. Somebody told that you are very lover of Raita.
Yes, sir. I am very big fan of raita.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Self-made raita or some any wife-made raita?
No, sir. PG made raita.
PG made raita. I mean, why? Why raita is very no raita is very badnaam in our gully. That right, exactly.
I don't eat in street, sir. That's why I don't have
So raita is eaten or drunk?
both, sir.
Both.
Yes.
So
Sir.
what do you do?
What do you do means?
I mean, you eat or you drink?
sometime eat, sometime drink, sir.
Okay, fine. Well, so what is your favor today? You are gonna favor job or business or self-employment or what?
I am
Job.
ever in the job.
Tell 1 point, please.
Yes, sir. Because if I want to serve the nation as a army person,
Okay.
so
As?
a army,
As an army,
as an army, so how can I do it?
how can I do it?
How can I do it?
Please sit down. Very nice. You're a pass. Let's welcome to the next one here, Mr. Surya Pradap. Please come on the stage. Hurry up. All right. So, Mr. Surya Pratap, as today you have come after taking lunch to talk this topic. So, are you energetic?
Yes, sir, I am
So
energetic.
tell 1 point, please. Business or
Sir, it is a very crucial factor for women.
excuse me, what is the word you spoke?
Crucial factor.
Crucial. What is this? I don't know.
Crucial.
Crucial.
Yes, sir, crucial.
Crucial.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir. It is in business. Women have our own schedule.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
So you are especially empowering women in this situation.
Sir, women and also men. Men are men. Sometimes men were also harassed.
Oh, men are harassed
Yes, sir.
during the job.
Yes, sir.
That's why business is the best.
Yes, sir.
So his point is that, excuse me, dear Hassan and everyone, be ready. Point must be noted because after some time you have to ask as well. He is trying to say that ki in business they are safe, but in job sometimes men are also harassed. Excuse me, that is so sensitive. Please sit down. I would like to call Miss Kazama here. Please come and sit down with me. I would like to ask you whatever you think about. Please sit down. What's your name?
Kazim Anjum.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Introduce yourself in front of everyone.
My name is Kazma, and I have completed my graduation in BA from Lucknow University. Currently, I am here for the in well talk for the speaking very well.
Okay,
for
for-
my confidence.
For your
Speak-
confidence.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So will you speak today confidently?
Yes, sir. I will.
I will.
speak.
Very
yes,
nice.
sir.
So you are favoring business, right? How many business do you have?
Currently, I have no any type of business.
So why are you supporting business, ma'am?
But in future, I will do I will do in my business.
Okay. Tell me one reason that you are supporting today.
Sir, in India, many many housewife not literate.
Many housewives
Yes, sir. Housewives not literate
are not.
are not literate. They are facing a lot of problem when there are many members in their family. So in India, they are doing the own business, their business.
Please sit down. I have understood. Very nice. Let me welcome to you, Mr. के सामने Miss Kisle. Please come and sit down. Please clap for her. All right. So Kisle, you wanna kiss business or you wanna kiss job?
Sir, business.
But, excuse me, your dress up looks like you want to become air hostess, right?
It's my personal choice.
Wow, guys, good answer. It's my personal choice. And your business is somebody else's choice.
Business is my second choice.
Wow. She is supporting business and now she is saying business is my second choice. It means job is the first choice, right?
Business is my backup plan.
Business is my backup plan. It means job is the best, right?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, tell one reason why is business better than job.
Business, freedom.
We have freedom.
Anything you do on your decision only,
Okay.
not depend on colleagues or HR or manager, any type of manager.
Being a girl, why do you think that ki business is the best for girls? Do you think if you have to start a business, so can you manage?
In business, there is no, in own business, there is no harassment or manipulation or
So like Kisle, if you have to start one business, what kind of business would you like to start?
I would like to start
Any beauty parlor or
Chinese stall.
Chinese stall? Okay. So where would you like to start? In Lucknow or any other place?
In Lucknow only.
Okay, please have a seat. Very nice. Let's welcome to Mr. Ramzan. Please come on the stage. Mr. Ramzan, how are you?
I am fine, sir.
What are you supporting?
In business, sir. Sir, I am supporting business.
Why?
Why? Because, sir, sorry, sir. Without business, you cannot buy a home in city, Mumbai and Lucknow.
This is not the point. Excuse me. He will be out.
I have many points.
So tell one point, sir. I don't need to listen many points. Oh my God. Yeah.
Sir, I feel nervous.
You feel nervous?
Yes,
You
sir.
want to go outside?
No, sir.
It's kind of audition, sir.
You are a businessman, then you earning money. You earning money 50 lakh or 5 lakh per month. Then you suddenly you die. Then you take over your business. Your son not starting zero. Your son is starting your same position, but you.
Wait, I have understood. Please sit down. Miss Aarti, please come, hurry up. So, Aarti, business or job?
Job. I supporting also job.
One reason.
One teacher, there are many people wants to
Many
do.
people want to.
There are many people want to job because many people have a dream to become a doctor, engineer, cabin crew also. So if in business you can't enjoy their passion, that's why I support for job. Because in future I want to become a software engineer also.
After business, right?
No, job. After study.
After study,
Yes.
you want to become software engineer. Is there anybody who would like to come and debate with her? Rakhi, please come. Here, she was trying to say their passion actually. She is very passionate about doing job. Is there any question that you would like to ask?
Yes, sir. I have lot of questions, but I ask some question is there. Ma'am, if you depend on job, so how you can fulfill more employment?
Exactly. Yes.
Because everyone cannot get job, because if you want to job you need a specific degree, you need a specific qualification, and in India every person is not educated.
Oh my goodness.
All time no need educated, like a BPO company also no need a high qualified education.
Very nice.
But they need some qualification, na ma'am. They can
Arey, don't hold on here.
Business also need education, like how to get prepared for MBA.
Yes.
Business management. How so many people learn for business management skill.
Exactly. MBA degree.
Yes.
For business we need MBA degree.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me. She is saying for business we need MBA degree. Is this compulsory? No.
But sir, if business run to any qualification, how to run our business, need some education.
ma'am, you don't need any qualification, you don't, ma'am.
About business, how can I run my business?
Wow.
How can I run
Good
my
point.
Sorry, what she said, sir?
Say again.
I said, if I have a no qualification about business, how can I run my business?
Exactly.
Easily, ma'am, you can run. You can see example on the office of Welltalk Institute. Those people who are doing, who are selling chola chawal, who are selling pan, they are doing business, and they don't need a specific qualification. They know.
Wow.
How to, if I have no idea how to increase audience to get my product, how?
If you don't have any idea, it means you are not a human.
No, this is personal target. This is personal target. This is personal target. No, this is personal target. No, Rakhi, please sit down. Anybody else would like to talk to her? Anybody else would like to talk to business supporters? Wow, guys, your member is doing amazing, right? You wanna come? Yes, sir. No, business supporters. Oh, please. So she's trying to say that for starting any kind of business, you need degree. You need qualification.
Qualification.
Yes.
Sir, we don't need any types of degree. I want to start any types of business. I want to sell pen on road. We don't need to any degree.
Exactly.
How can sell the anybody because anybody not interested your product? So how can?
Ma'am, excuse me. Wait. Whenever you go to purchase chola and bhatura,
Yes.
so please, do you ask what is your degree?
No, sir, but I ask which chola bhatura shop is good.
You search na? So you search because of quality, not because of degree. Oh, Aarti is lost. Please, Moe, you have to go back. So finally, Aarti tried well, but she was trapped. I would like to welcome anybody else who is supporting job and just talk to Mr. Rakesh. Oh, we have nobody. Anjali, you wanna come, please? Anjali. Well, Anjali, as you know, that Patanjali is very famous. So why are you supporting job? I mean, why?
Sir, in my opinion, many people in India are not financially stable.
Yes.
They all can't do business. That's why they were searching for a job.
Okay, they are searching.
They are searching for a job.
Well, she's trying to say that there are so many people, a huge population in this country. Everybody cannot do business, but everybody can do job. So job is the best option for us.
No, sir. Because if you want to start any business, you will be owner of your work. Because in job you have a freedom, you have a flexibility. But when you want to open your shop, you can open. When you want to close, you can close. You want to go anywhere, you have many types of freedom.
You have no pressure, Anjali. You have no pressure in business. But in job, you have a lot of tensions, a lot of targets, you know.
I don't think so, sir. Like if a person wants to do a job, before he dream about that.
He dreams about
it doesn't mean that he had a pressure of job.
Exactly.
He can enjoy the
Before becoming, he knows everything. What will happen? How will happen? Exactly. That is why he is satisfied with that.
Sir, what's about your freedom? What's about your flexibility? Do you don't want to go anywhere? If any doesn't matter in job, there is Saturday, there is Sunday. Your boss call, you have to come. Definitely, you have to go.
Excuse me.
not everywhere.
He cannot call any time. First of all, can a boss call at midnight?
No, sir.
What is this? He is saying calling any time. It is unacceptable.
Sir, he supports business like he wanted to achieve. He wanted to be a successful in business. He should invest more time than a job seeker. He should invest. You can't do a business for a 5 hours doing. Yes. You can't just do. You have to invest your time also in business. But in job, you can 9 to 5 a job. After you can enjoy your family with your friends.
Very nice.
In a job, your going time is fixed. You have to go 9 a.m. But there is no fix when you will come.
It is fixed. It is fixed.
In job, I think it is fixed. In business, it is not fixed. Exactly. Sir, okay. Here, for job, you have to reach at 10 o'clock on the time. And you have to come back at 5 o'clock. In job, it is fixed. But in business, it is not fixed. Sir, I am a businessman. I know very well. Sir, excuse me. Don't exaggerate. Please go back. Very nice. Anjali. No, let others come actually. You will be coming after some time. Who would like to talk? Any businessman. She wants to come. You want to talk to her? Please come back. All right. So, Miss Aditi, welcome back actually here. Anjali is trying to say that you can enjoy. You can come and you can enjoy. But because of business, you are lost. You have no family. You have no, good time with your family. What kind of life are you going to live?
Sir, in business, People who doing business, sir, they spend their quality time with their family. Sir, what about when this is a festival season like Diwali and Dasara and Holi? In a job, if you are doing a job, then it is not compulsory to you have a vacation for 2 to 3 days. But in business, sir, if you want to enjoy with your family, then you enjoy your whole day with your family.
Beautiful. That's good. That's the reality.
Sir, I have an example in my home. My father has a pan ki dukan. He never get a holiday even when he closed his business.
He can.
Closed his business because my father is also doing a business, sweet shop. It is not mean that Diwali is sell a sweet. That's mean in Diwali my father open his shop.
Miss. See, as she told, na, ki you are the boss of yourself, you can close. There's a possibility of doing that. But if you're a job holder, you have to go and work there.
For women also, if at the time of menstruation cycle, girl facing so much pain, but if you're doing a job, then you are definitely go to your office and.
Oh my God! Exactly, that's true.
Our government initiate that if a girl.
No, government doesn't. No, government talks about maternity leave, but not this, menstruation cycle.
In newspaper, you can also search on Google or.
Who gives?
Sir, government are initiating these things that.
The government is initiating, but it has not been initiated.
Like she is saying about girl, if she wants doing a business, her parents will support her. She is preparing for became a cabin crew. This is a personal matter. This is my choice. If I want to become a business, then you close your shop for one day. Where did I get money for opening a shop or something? In business, it is not happen that you don't have any money. I don't have money. I wanted to become a businessman, but I don't have money. Where a business, if you are.
Hey, excuse me. Are you sitting in Kawali? I will beat you. Just enjoy the scenario.
Sir, if
The last point.
Sir, my last point is in business we are not wait for
We cannot wait.
We cannot wait for the salary.
We don't wait. Sorry,
We don't wait for salary.
But in job we have to wait for salary, and sometimes we do not get on the time as well. Oh my God. Exactly. In business, unlimited.
Sir, in my opinion, many people they have a skill. If they have a skill by doing a job, they can achieve their. Still, they start their startup. Everybody will go for a startup who will do the business. In our surrounding, every people are doing their jobs. The cleaner are.
Okay, wait. Please, you both have to sit down. Did a well job. Fantastic. Well, I need to call other people. Excuse me, revolt. We need to bring some revolution, right? All right, I feel really happy whenever you guys come and talk in front of these many people, right? I would like to welcome Miss Tabassum, and first of all, I would like to take Apina Tabassum, whatever she thinks about. Please, ma'am, come and sit down here. Okay, so dear Tabassum, ma'am, do you have any problem to face camera? Very nice, good. So, Assalamu alaikum. So, ma'am, first of all, tell me that being a girl, why do you think that job is the best?
Actually, we know about the time of COVID. We can't go anywhere. So, actually, I'm not comfortable today.
Why? I mean, be comfortable, be confident. Just imagine they are your, Restart. Hey guys, I want to say,
During of the time of COVID, we can't go anywhere. The companies are providing me work from home, part-time jobs, so we can allow. My mother also allowed during the time of COVID. I can my work at my home, but I can't go anywhere for the business. When I have business, as Aditi said, she's father doing a job. Her father doing a business. So the time of the COVID, we can't sell anything.
Exactly.
Yes,
exactly.
go ahead out of the house. That's why I'm supporting for the job.
Exactly. She's trying to say that job can be done from home, but business cannot be done. Exactly, it is. Who would like to come and talk? Please, Kazma, come and sit down here. Exactly, I know that. So Miss Kazma, as your friend is saying that during COVID-19 we were unable to do business but job.
But many companies don't give this type of
Did not.
Give this type of job who doing in home.
Whenever I am working in 1912, it's an electricity department that they has providing me a work from home.
They provided me.
They provided me work from home. So we can start doing a work at home. We can't go anywhere. That's why you did not go anywhere for the business, for the selling, for the purchasing. The time of COVID, all business are closed.
Debate is here.
Flipkart and
Also doing a job, na? They don't do the business. Everyone
Excuse
wants
me,
to do
debate. Audition from audition to this debate, and now this debate to group debate. Nothing to say?
sir,
Okay, your one point you have to ask. Your one point that you think this is why or because of this reason.
I work in the COVID time. I work in the COVID time for as a work from home. But she were doing the job under the business, na sir. But also she is doing the job.
She was in electric department.
organization. I'm just talking about outside of work, outside of business.
So she was talking about electric department. That's not a business.
It's not a business.
Of course.
Yes, it's not a business. I am talking about electricity department. I am talking about education department. I am talking about 1090.
It's not a business, of course.
Not
Yeah.
a business. It's all over the job.
It's a service kind of.
Yeah, it's a service.
But it's not getting personal, na sir. She were in the this type of job.
It is not a personal. Excuse me. She was working in electric department, right? She was working in electric department. She was getting salary as well, working from home. And that electric department, that's not a business. That is done, because of government. And
As a one example, whenever the time of COVID, we don't go anywhere. When I am working in a electricity department, when you don't have a light, when you don't have electricity, so how can you do your time spent with your family? Everyone wants to need a atmosphere as well as good. So you can't, or everyone wants to need a job, doing a job or doing a business. Everyone wants to know about the time of the during of the COVID. So how can you put your
okay, no problem. You both please have a seat. We need newly people.
Properly.
Momita
Sanjay
Singh.
Yes, sir, Sanjay Singh.
Oh my God! Because of money, mind is not working now. Oh my God!
That
Money-oriented people's mind do not work.
Sir, how can you say
You
that?
are saying that.
No, sir,
You are saying
I
that.
am not saying.